No, slip. Oh, goodness. So we are in the middle of a snowstorm. I figured it'd be a great time to test out this all-terrain full suspension e-bike that is supposed to be built tough. We're gonna see just how tough it is trying to go through a snowstorm. And this bike is supposed to take you up to 120 miles of charge. So hopefully if I get stuck, I have enough battery life to get back if I have to get back slowly. And this is a PuckiPuppy Bulldog. But so far so good, as long as I stay on the line that has already been, I guess, driven over with car or truck tires, tend to be good. So now is the real test. I'm gonna go up a hill in like icy, snowy roads. See if this bike can take me up a hill. I will say I made a rookie mistake when it comes to snow. Maybe I've been living here too long. Cause I'm from Chicago, but I did not wear boots. I do have a couple of pairs of socks on, but I should have wore boots because the shoes I have on now, whenever I hit a puddle of like water or snow, that's coming into my shoe, you know what I mean? So I can't be out here too long because I'm not trying to get pneumonia. But if I would have wore boots, it would have been much better. But rookie mistake. I should have wore boots, but we're about to go up a hill. And this hill also has a curve on it. And this is not like a main street, but it does look like more cars have driven here than the street we just left. So it's a little easier to manage the pedaling on the road we're at now. And it's weird because I'm trying to give cars an opportunity to pass me. So I'm not trying to be in the middle of the road, so you have to try to find like a pocket of I guess untainted road here. And this is cool now, but I can see this being really slick tomorrow. But for now, it's kind of helping. And normally, let's go a little throttle only up this hill. And I'm trying to gauge the throttle where I'm not slipping, but also give it enough throttle for me to get up a hill. So I'm trying to figure out what that calculation is here. But so far so good, I'm gonna go over one. All right. Okay, but up a hill, these tires, all right, they're doing pretty good. Not a whole lot of slipping. Well, damn. All right. Not bad. And I don't have an all-terrain car, but this bike performs better than my car does when it comes to the snow. So, all right, but now let's try to go down the hill. Yeah, we're going straight in snow now. Goodness. I'm trying to prevent all that from hitting my shoes. I should have wore boots. Damn. But the bike is fine so far. I'm curious on how that ice is going to affect that motor down there. The road here might be a busier road, maybe because it's more it's more slick than snowy. More ice than snow. But let's hit this turn. Now we're about to go down a hill. So this is a downhill path, downhill road. And I'm a little nervous, I'm gonna be honest with you. Going uphill, you kind of use your power a little bit, but downhill, you're at the mercy of the road a little bit more. Uh-oh. Oh no, false alarm. I'm like prepared to fall and roll, you know what I mean? Maybe a little too much so, well, I'm a little anxious, but we're going down the hill now. Gonna slow down again, ride the brake a little bit because I don't trust the road fully here. And again, we don't have any salt trucks, so it is what it is. All right, so far so good. All right, here comes another hill. All right, it's harder to find a way to pedal here. There's not really a paved road path or driven road path, so I guess nobody's really coming down here. But the bike is performing well. I feel like I can go faster. I'm not gonna do it, but so far so good. Let me change lanes here. All right. All right, let's go into some straight snow now. Let's get off the road, get on the sidewalk, see what that's gonna be like. All right, this is gonna be iffy right here, y'all. Let's see. Oh, goodness. It's straight snow, all right. Look. Goodness. I caught it though, I caught it. That means slow the hell down. That's what that means. So regarding this bike performing well, so regarding this bike performing in the snow, on a scale from 1 to 10, I give it a 9. I did slip on a few instances, but the way it performed uphill is really what's driving it home for me. But y'all comment below how y'all think this bike did in the winter storm. Go through some actual snow here. All right, not bad. You gotta know how to manage this thing though. All right. Go over here. I tell you, oh, my seat got wet. Thank God for all-terrain tires, I'll tell you that right now. That's definitely what's saving me at this moment. Oh! All right, a little slick. I think the tire, yeah, no. It looked like ice is falling off the tire as more ice is coming on the tire. So, all right. All right, so I'm gonna stop here.